Is it not the house of God that was burnt? Surely it was. The house of God. It is written, because my house is called the place of worship of all people. Do we have freedom as Christians? Aren't we human beings created by God? Oh dear, do not take your revenge, but give place to anger. For it is written, vengeance is mine, says the Lord, I will give the revenge. Romans 12, chapter 19, verse.
In the same churches, prayers were offered on August 14th for independence and the country and the nation, but they were rewarded in this way.
Do we not have the right to live? Do you take away our breath? Fear God and stand still, because our God is coming soon. Behold, I am coming soon, and I have a reward to give to everyone according to his work. I am the Alpha and the Omega, first and last. I am the beginning and the end. Revelation